Yeah, she wants to suck. Yummy. Yummy. She has a bunch of teeth in there. It's not biting yet. Get it, get it. She wants to just suck. Yeah, we make the flavor, we make the flavor. You want this, Rosie?
You liking your watermelon there, sweet girl? Oops, she dropped it.
That's too big. Oh yes, here you go, here you go. No, we're gonna save some for baby. You got 2 carrots. Here, let's give Mama a piece of watermelon. She wants a piece. She don't care if baby gets it. Just give it to me, give it to me. One more?
Good stuff?
Yeah, she doesn't bite. She wants to suck. Look at this. Rosie wants to suck on my fingers.
Well, she'll nip you a little.
She hasn't yet.
Yeah. Well, don't
Don't give her that opportunity.
give her the opportunity, Diane.
Smack her.